GC this morning. Okay, so going again right from the daily chart, I think last week's low was the 3, and I think it came in right at the 1764. So we got an A, B, 1, 2, 3, and we need a 4, 5 to lower to finish this move off around the 1150 area in GC is what I'm looking for as a minimum to complete the move. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, I'm expecting a little bit higher in this 1209. We have come up and hit the 138.2 top down fib at 1197.50 this morning, almost on the nose. So it's quite possible that the 4 is done here, and we're going to drop this morning down. And as I say, the next level to watch for a potential long entry, but we do need to be careful with this, is this 1149. That's the 887 back on what I've got as that ugly looking one as a diagonal. It's also the 2.0 extension of this current move down. The reticence I have here is it is unusual for GC to hit the 2.0 extension and for that to be it. What I'm kind of leaning towards is the idea of a 1, 2, 3, this is a 4, 5, and we drop down to this 2.0 for the 3, that this 3 is not in. But this level here, 1149.50, if we hit it and start to bounce, it is worth taking a long entry and getting your stops up to entry pretty much straight away, because we should still come back into this zone here at the very minimum. And if we're going to take off, it should be reasonably clear quite quickly that we're going to get a lot more than that. So that's the first point of interest where I may be tempted with the metals to take a long entry in GC. Prior to that, I'm just going to watch and leave well alone. Day trading at this moment, we came off the this morning's high back below the 1189, and I think that 4 is in, and we're heading immediately lower to the 2.0 extension at 1149.